folks, Maverick Indicators here. All right, so here is a great example of, we took a trade earlier today, which, I mean, we just got a little piece of this, this huge run up. These are 5-minute candles, just absolutely insane. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. This is just absolutely insanity. And you can see this thing just came up like crazy, okay? And now it's turning over, and I just love how beautiful the Maverick AI Pro tells this story, okay? Because if you look, we had bright green candles the entire way up for the most part. Then you started turning around. Now gray means indecision or reversal. So look, these are obviously reversal candles. And look what we're starting to get here. We're starting to get red candles. Red is your second strongest downside data candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside data candle. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, that's 3 in the morning, but it still works. Let's see here. Let me pull this up here. Okay, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside data candle. Bright green is your strongest upside data candle. Yeah, here's more hot pink. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside data candle, but red is your second strongest downside data candle. So what I think is so cool here is, let me move this way out of here. Okay. What I think is so cool here is that we've been just coming up like all day with bright green candles. And we, again, go back to our YouTube channel. We took a piece of this, and you come up and it's just so cool. Oh, just about to the top of this zone drawn by your Maverick zones. And then you start getting the gray candles, which is reversal. Now you're starting to get red candles coming in here. If we can get more red and pink, I mean, we could just like drop straight through. Not straight through, but you get my point. We could start working our way down. Pretty interesting. Now, what was once support, okay, should now, once you broke it, should now become resistance. Very cool. Anyway, I wanted to jump on here and show you guys this. And why did I jump back into this? Well, red background, bears are in control. Started to get red candles. Very interesting. Our first red candle since, oh gosh, when was your last red candles? Okay, so 4, 5, almost 6 hours ago. Okay, and you're turning over. So starting to turn over. Let me zoom this in real quick. Okay, and this is where it tells you the story. Bright green candles, your strongest upside data candle. Gray reversal candles. Now you're starting to get red. Will we move to pink? That'd be beautiful. Okay. You have a B setup on the Ultimate Trading Assistant, the Maverick Radar, which is going through a bunch of your indicators and grading each one. Then it gives you this overall grade like we talk about all the time. No grade, I wouldn't get in. B grade, I'm thinking about it. I'm highly interested. I'm going to check it out. And then an A+ grade, of course, I'm all ears, right? My eyes are open, and so are my ears to the sound of potential huge moves. Okay. Here, all 5 traders are mostly bearish. I mean, they're bearish on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, almost all the 5 minute, some of the 10 and some of the 15. And of course the 15's and the 10 are gonna take some time because you've been coming up all morning for you to turn over, right? And then the Maverick trender, by the way, is pegged. See this? When this line's pegged to the top, shows massive strength and momentum. Look at this. They're called flat tops. See this? Look what price did. Look at this. From here to here, what did price do? Came right up. Excuse me. From here to here, what did price do? Came straight up, right? Well, now you got a red flat top. Now you got a red flat top forming, and look what price is. I'm telling you, this sucker wants to come down. Okay, so pretty cool stuff. Just wanted to jump on here and show you guys another trade example of how the Maverick indicators could help just lend a little bit more clarity on your charts. Red background, bears are in control, starting to get red candles. B set up to the downside on the Ultimate Trading Assistant. Maverick trenders pegged to the top, and all 5 traders are mostly bearish across 6 time frames. So pretty cool stuff. All right, I'm going to leave my chart up and we'll just keep watching this thing, but it certainly looks like it wants to just roll on over and head to the downside, but we'll see what our Maverick indicators tell us. Okay, so it'll be pretty cool. So again, not financial advice, do your own research, never any guarantees in any market, but I'll put all the links in the description and you can come check us out. Again, all our indicators in the Ultimate Edge bundle work on NinjaTrader and TradingView. All right, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.